How do MVNOs offer cheaper phone plans? If you have ever wondered how mobile virtual network operators can provide phone plans at lower prices, you are in for a treat. Let's break it down together. Mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs, do not own their own cellular network infrastructure. Instead, they lease access from major carriers like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. This leasing model is key to their cost savings. By not investing in expensive cell towers or network maintenance, MVNOs keep their overhead costs much lower than traditional carriers. This means they can pass those savings directly to you, the customer, in the form of cheaper plans. Traditional carriers spend billions of dollars on building and upgrading their networks, including the latest technologies like fifth-generation wireless technology. Another factor is that MVNOs generally do not pay for costly roaming agreements that major carriers use to provide coverage in less populated areas. This helps them cut down on expenses even more. However, it is worth noting that this may lead to less coverage in remote locations compared to customers on the original carrier networks. Many MVNOs also operate primarily online, which means they do not have physical retail stores. This reduces operational costs related to staffing and maintaining storefronts. They often focus on budget-conscious consumers by offering prepaid plans and flexible options without long-term contracts. This business model allows MVNOs to bundle wholesale network access into affordable packages that include unlimited talk and text, along with various data options. When it comes to device selection, MVNOs typically support a wide range of unlocked phones that work with the major networks they lease from. This flexibility allows you to bring your own device or purchase phones separately, which often saves you money compared to carrier-subsidized devices tied to more expensive plans. In summary, MVNOs can offer cheaper phone plans because they operate as resellers without the heavy costs of owning network infrastructure. They avoid roaming fees, reduce operational costs through online-only models, and target consumers looking for affordable wireless service. This makes MVNOs a smart choice for anyone wanting solid coverage and service at a lower price point.